morning, dear students. Welcome to my class. Let's watch this video. If you watch this video, how do you think? What's about today's lesson? Okay, that's right. Today our lesson about travel and transport. Let's begin our lesson. Lesson objectives: to learn vocabulary, to travel and adventure, to develop speaking, writing and speaking skills, to practice speaking skills. Answer my question. Do you like travel? If you could travel anywhere in the world, where will you go? What do you think people can learn from traveling to other countries? What kind of transport do you prefer on trip? Next task, complete the table with the words in the box. You know these words, these transport words. I'll give you words and you divide in 3 parts: land transport, air transport and water transport. Students' answers: land transport, bicycle, bus, car, horse, train, tram, lorry. Air transport, helicopter, plane, airship, spacecraft. Water transport, boat, ship, submarine. Travel vocabulary. Travel, how move from one place to another. Go on a trip, go on a flight, go on a picnic, go on an excursion, go on a voyage. Travel when? Holidays, vacation, day off, weekends. Travel what to do? Visit a city, visit a country, camping, take photography, sightseeing. Things we need: passport, luggage, baggage, suitcase, backpack, boarding pass, money, currency, visa. Travel places: airport, the port, train station, historic monuments, hotel, abroad, another country. Next task, look at the picture and add the descriptions of the cities and match them. Acapulco, New York, London, Paris. At first, read this text. A very modern city in the USA, it's also called the Big Apple or the city that never sleeps. Nearly 9 million people live here. There are hundreds of skyscrapers in its center and beautiful parks as well. The most famous one is Central Park. You may see many film stars in the city. Okay, that's right, it's New York. Next task, match your words to a picture. You know these pictures. Last task, word wall. This task develops students' speaking skills. I'll give them questions. Why can someone miss their flight? Why can someone miss their flight? Next question. Why do people stop at service stations? Why do people stop at service stations? Last question. Why can a flight be delayed or cancelled? What do passengers do in such situations? Thank you for your attention. Your home task, write about your traveling. Goodbye, students.